Nito.
Urge, take it 2. Wala, rebound by Lontak. Lontak, steal by Jason. Jason, take it 2. Wala, rebound by Lontak. Ayan na, meron pala. 9 minutes and 47 seconds. All 0. Number 10, take it 3. Wala, rebound by out of bounds. Wala na, teammate.
Rebound niya.
9 minutes and 35 seconds. Sa last 2 minutes, may
Rebound
stop
pa lang
time
yan.
yan.
Lontak, 2 rebound. Tapos isang steal kay Jason. Jason Andal ba?
Jason, number 20, Bugay, pass to Jacqueline, 2 balls, Jacqueline Kaba, 2 balls,
Assist ba yan
2-0,
Number 12, kuya.
steal by Jason, Bugay, Jason, behind the back pass to Urge, faking, block by Lota, binigay kay number Lopezlan, faking to wala, rebound by number 16, 16, sa ilalim, wala, block by Jacqueline. Nakakuha ni Bunaw. Bunaw, block by Jacqueline again. Nakakuha ni Jacqueline. Jacqueline, nagmamadali. Jacqueline, wala, rebound by Gota. Lopezlan, lumipad, 2 points. Number 1, Lopezlan. All 2. All 2 na. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Jacqueline, pass to Jason. Jason, pass to Edge. Edge, 15 to shoot. Edge to JP. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 4, taking 2. Wala, rebound by number 16, Del Val. Pass to Londesland. Number 1, pass to number 21. Wala, rebound by number 16, Del Val. 7 minutes and 58 seconds. Sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Jacqueline. Pass to Jason. Jason to JP. JP. Nakuha pa rin ni Jason. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Jason. 10 seconds. Wow. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 7 minutes and 37 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good ball. 2 points. Jacqueline Kama. 4-2. In favor of TP. Londesland, take it mo. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to number 25. Makainig. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Edge. Edge. 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Is still by Wakahili. To number 10, take it 3. Wala, rebound by number 16. 2 points. Number 16, Del Val. Exactly, 7 minutes. All 4. Jason. Jason. Is still by Lontak. Nauna na si number 10, lumipad. 2 points. Londesland. 6-4 in favor of Team A. Apple Gaston pala. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Jacqueline to Jason. 14 seconds to shoot. Jacqueline to Jason. Ang gandang pasa. Wala. Rebound by number 16, Del Val. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 points by Londesland. 8-4. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Jacqueline. Take it 3. Foul. Foul by number 25. Saili. First personal foul by number 25. Sige to, pabalis tayo.
Full name na para ano, tsaka jersey. Ay, name tas jersey number. Ayun na, isa kanila sa team. Team D na lang sila.
Kompleto ka na.
Basket ba? Basket?
Ano mamaya-maya?
Hindi, no good. Fulgestan, lumipad. Wala. Rebound by JP. Pass to number 12. 12. Cross over move to Jason. All alone. 18 seconds to shoot.
8-4 no?
Take it 3, Jason. Wala. Rebound by number 16, Del Val. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Bunaw. Foul. Nawagla, pero...
First lang.
Good. Pero bola niya. Bola ng Team A. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Shout out kay Ken Buhay, ang ating photographer. Maraming salamat po. Boss na bahay dyan, late. Doon ang steal by Volkistan. Volkistan lumipad. Bala, rebound by. Lotak. 20 set, take it 3. Lotak. Number 25. 11-4. Guys,
Para ilista ko na lang dito yung sa phone niya na ilista. Sa phone niya na ilista niya na sa phone niya. Para ilista ko na lang dito.
sige.
Pati yung number ka.
Last possession before change. Number 21, pag pumasok, change na. Pag turnover, change. Kahit foul, change yan. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Chocolate taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Del Val. 11-4 in favor of Team A. 4 minutes at territor. Change na yan kapag na-shoot. Kapag turnover or foul, change pa rin. Number 10, and 10 seconds to shoot. Two boys, change court. Oo nga pala. Change court na po, change court.
Okay na?
Change court. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. 13-4 in favor of Team A pa rin. To GP. 20 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 21. Buno. First personal foul. Tayo niyan. Magkaroon tayo ng sportsmanship.
Kailong. Okay
Good ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Chocolate. Pass to Urge. 9 seconds to shoot. Chocolate taking 3. Chocolate Kama. 13-7. In favor of Team A. To Volkistan. 13 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. To Bruno, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Inakuha ni JP nagmamadali. Pass to Chocolate, fake. To Jason, follow up. Nakuha pa rin ni Nuno. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Volkistan, lumipad. Huli ni Urge. Grabe ka, idol. Mababalik lang, galing Batangas, nakablock agad. Grabe naman yun. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 13-7 pa rin. Volkistan, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Urge. To Jason. 20 seconds to shoot. Naiwan si Jackie sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Del Val. 13-7 in favor of Team A. 2 minutes and 25. Volkistan. Pass to Makahilig. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Urge. To Jason, side step, tumira, wala, rebound by Chocolate, 2 boys, Chocolate Kama. 39, 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Score, 39. In favor of Team A. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Volkistan. 10 seconds to shoot. Volkistan. Foul by number. Ay, wala foul? Ano lang, intercepted. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Nuno, pass to Lotak, taking 3. Lotak, number 95, 16-9. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Wala. Foul by number 16, Del Val. First personal foul. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Wonder, last serve na po yan. Good na yan. Jason to JP. Last 17 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 25. Urge, taking 2. 2 boys. Urge the ball. 16-11 in favor of Team A. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Volkistan, number 10. 13 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by JP. Last 1 minute. 16-11. JP. Lumipad. Foul. Foul by number 25. Kylie. To Jason. Jason, pass to number 12. Sa ilalim na huli Milota pero nakuha pa Milota. 47 seconds. Behind the back pass to number 95. What a pass by number 10. 18-11. 38 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. To Jason. Jason, take it 3. Wala. Last 25 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 18-11. 17 seconds to shoot. Focus that. 13 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Nuno, take it 3. Wala. Last 9 seconds. Shot clock off. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.